family. My name is Nehal. Welcome back to my channel Bitty's Beats. So I am taking a small initiative to start speaking mock series where I'll be taking mock tests with different candidates and I'll grade them according to their speaking interview so that you all will understand why that candidate has got that certain band score. So if you want to add my evaluation or comment about that interview, please do write in the comment section. I'll be happy or I feel great when you people like or even comment under my videos. So I request you all, please do comment in the suggestion or the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's start our today's speaking mock test. Let's get started. This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, that is 30th of October at Sangli Center. The candidate is Sirin Powar. Candidate number is 200520. The examiner is Snehal Edekar and examiner number is 010685. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your full name?
My full name is Sirin Powar.
And what should I call you?
You can call me Simhu.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes.
Thank you. So we'll start with first part where I'll ask you some questions about yourself or some of the general topics. So let's start with sleep.
Okay.
How many hours you sleep every day?
I sleep 7 to 8 hours daily.
Is it necessary to take a nap every day?
Yeah, it is necessary. Not necessary, but people can take rest in daytime.
Do old people sleep lot and why?
Yes, people sleep. Old people sleep a lot. Cause my granny also sleep a lot in daytime. She takes 7 to 8 hours sleeps daily.
Do you always have a good sleep?
Yeah, sometimes.
And other times?
Sometimes I can't sleep properly.
Okay, let's move to other topic, that is watch. How often do you wear a watch?
I wear watch daily.
What was your first watch like?
My first watch was gifted by my friend, and it was pink in color, and in that watch there is a picture of Barbie. So that time I like Barbies and all, so she gifted me that watch, and I loved it.
Okay. What kinds of watches do you like to wear now?
Now, like I like to wear watches like sports watches, and it is trend now.
Do people still wear watches in your country?
Yeah, in my country, in country, people do wear watches daily, cause it is easy to them to work in time, and it lies on your wrist. Then no need to see it in your mobile phones and all.
Now I'm going to give you a topic and you should speak for 1 or 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to prepare. You can even make notes. Do you understand?
Yes.
So this is paper and pencil which you can use to make notes, and this is your topic.
Yes.
You should describe an experience when you get bored. So your 1 minute of preparation is started. Okay. You should speak for around 2 minutes. Don't worry if I stop you. I'll let you know when 2 minutes are over. Now you can start your topic.
Okay. I got bored during this lockdown because of Corona. Our Prime Minister declared that from March lockdown will be started, and yeah, in some days I felt happy that there will be no college and no studies and all, but later on I got bored by that because we don't go outside, we can't do the things which makes us happy, and we can't do shopping at all, and we can't eat food which we like, or it's like prisoner that we can do anything in our home, we can't go outside for some um, for do interesting things and all. We can't go outside because Corona was there, and people are
You want to add anything? You still have some time. If you want, you can add some points.
it was frustrating. It was okay, but later on it was frustrating and irritating, so we can't go anywhere.
Okay. Let's move to part 3. Can I take this paper and pencil back?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's move to part 3, that is discussion part. So I'll ask you some questions which are related with your cue card. What kinds of jobs are boring?
I feel that of course teaching is boring, that we wake up and do the same things all day daily, so it is boring.
What can people do to stop feeling boring?
They can use diversional therapies, that they can do whatever they like or they want. They can listen to music, and they can go anywhere they want.
Can technology make life more interesting?
Yes, technology make lives more interesting, as it it all it makes lives more easier.
Mm-hmm. How?
Like
Can you add some examples?
yes, while making the food, if we want some mixture or anything, so people make use of pistons to mix it. But nowadays there are mixers and all. Also we our parents or grandparents used to write a letter, and they send it to via post or by someone else, that take this letter and give it to dash dash, and then but nowadays we can use our smartphones to message or to give a message to someone.
Okay. So this is the end of your speaking test, and thank you.
Thank you.
So I just want to say thank you to Serene because she has given her time for making my videos. She don't have any idea about IELTS, but still she has tried to give this attempt to help other candidates. So I really want to say thank you to Serene, and I hope you people also will understand why the person got such band score in IELTS examination. So lastly, I would like to say, if you enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and try to share it with lots and lots of people. So stay connected with Betty's Bees and see you next week again. Bye.